Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a simple fade in Blender. This works with any kink type, whether it's curly or straight hair. With that being said, let's just get started. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create a simple fade. As you can see here, we got Frank Ocean, made his hair blonde because, well, of course I did. Right, so let's just get started. First things first, we are going to need to hide the emitter. Show the emitter, sorry. We need to show the emitter. Okay, and we're going to need to hide the particles. Okay, so turn off the display of the particle, show the emitter, so we can see, the sculpt. Okay. At this point, you can pretty much change the hair, change the material, the color on the materials tab. But I'm just going to leave it as blonde. So what you're going to do next is going to go to data. And we are going to create a new vertex group. So hit plus. And we're going to name that vertex group fade. There we go. Next, we're gonna go to weight paints. No, not vertex paints. Weight paints. Okay, so here we need to change the brush. We need to make sure the brush is on draw. Then we are gonna paint. Make sure that the symmetry is on. And we're just gonna paint. You see the red parts? That's where the hair is going to show. And the blue parts is gonna be the rest of the head. Okay, so we just need to paint where we want our fade to be. Just like that. Okay, so I'm pretty much happy with the way this looks. Okay, now next, you're gonna set the brush mode to blur to create that nice little, transition between like the hair and the other parts of the head. By the way, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and after this video, please go check out my Patreon and my socials. Back to the video. Okay, so only like on the yellow and green sections, I'm gonna blur that out a little. I'm gonna do that. And we're gonna choose. And make sure that the vertex group is set to fade or whatever you named yours. Then when you're done, you're gonna go to object mode. Then we're gonna go to particles. Okay, show the particles again and hide the emitter again. Density, fade. Length, fade of the vertex groups. Okay, make sure both of that from the vertex groups is set to fade or whatever you named yours. And as you can see here, we got a nice looking fade, right? Not 100% perfect, just as, there's one more thing we gotta do here. Which is, I'm gonna go to modifiers. I'm gonna set the mirror, apply. There we go. There we go. We got a nice fade, both sides looking nice and equal. And there you go. That is how you create a nice looking fade.